back to my YouTube channel. It's Alicia. So I haven't vlogged in a while because of circumstances, but today we're going on the road. The taxis are already here, so I'm just gonna go downstairs. This is my bike that I'm taking, and I'll catch you guys on the road. Okay, we're on our way to a different town. So yeah, we're in the taxi. I don't know how long it's gonna take, probably 15 minutes or so. But yeah, we're in the taxi going to a different town. So yeah, that's that. That's what's happening right now. Yeah, I'll catching back with you guys. So I'm at the apartment, my aunt's apartment, and we're going to the beach. Basically, everyone else left. I'm not really in the mood to go anywhere or do anything, but I'm gonna go down to the beach and at least enjoy my day. So that's the plan. I'm gonna change into my bathing suit and a shorts and a tank top, and yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll get back to you guys. The beach, everyone is here, and I'm gonna get something to eat and probably go in the water. It is so beautiful here. Beach restaurant, getting something to eat. I'm getting fried fish and probably some margaritas, so yeah. We're leaving the beach now. I'm tired and I feel intoxicated, so we're going back to my aunt's apartment, and then we're gonna go home in a few minutes or so, in an hour or so. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're on the beach and we're just strolling. I'm just walking and getting in some hours for PE. I'm gonna go back and enjoy my margarita. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, so we're just out here on the beach chilling. Basically, there's nothing much to do. But yeah, it's like super hot. I want to do like other I want to do other activities besides going to the beach every day, but I have a lot of bathing suits and I need to, wear them. But yeah, it's nice. There's a lot of people out here. There's supposed to be a karaoke tonight, but I don't see any music or anything, so we'll see how that goes. But I'll get back to you guys later. Peace. Okay, so we're at Heritage Quay, and it's really pretty out here, so we're walking around. They have a lot of different stores and stuff, so yeah.